Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to send herbal products brochure to customers on WhatsApp via Facebook lead ads. So let's take an example that you are a herbal product store owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running Facebook lead ads on that page. So whenever someone clicks on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will get open. Now you want that whenever that Facebook lead ad form is filled, your herbal product catalog brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the potential customer. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your potential customers from Facebook lead ad, then compose a message in WhatsApp and attach a brochure along with the message and send it to the customers. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes actually impossible when you have hundreds and thousands of customers in one day. The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a new lead is generated in Facebook lead ads, automatically a brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the potential customers. But here there is one problem, that there is no direct connection between Facebook and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. Okay, so this is my Facebook page, Ayush Herbal Store, which I manage. Okay, this is the lead ad forms, herbal product brochure form, which I run on this Facebook page, and this is the WhatsApp number. So now I want that whenever this Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically a message should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So let us fill this form first. I'll just give the details over here. Let's give the email address as adamsmith26@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Adam Smith, and let's give the phone number over here, and let's click on next, and let's click on submit. Now thanks, you're all set. The form is filled. Now let us check whether we have received a message on WhatsApp number or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp, and here we can see a new message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in Ayush Herbal Store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our herbal store. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Ayush Herbal Store. So now let us click on this link also, and let us see what is there in this link. Okay, so here we can see herbal products brochure.pdf. Okay, a PDF file of the brochure is attached with this particular message. Okay, so now here you might be wondering that I just filled a form over here, okay, and automatically a message has been sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps, and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. At step 1, first we have to go to Pabbly Connect, and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2, collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads. Step 3, send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ads, the same data will be used, and a message along with the brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are going to use an application that is 360 dialog for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. Here in the all apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So I have given the name as send your herbal products brochure on WhatsApp. You can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on create. Here we can see a trigger app window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent on his WhatsApp number. So in the trigger application, we are going to select Facebook lead ads. Here in the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Now here we have to select the page and lead generation form. So I'll just take you to my Facebook page which I have created. So this is my Facebook page, Ayush Herbal Store, and this is my Facebook lead ad form, that is herbal product brochure form. So we have to select both of these. Let's go to Pabbly Connect. Here we have to select the page, that is Ayush Herbal Store, and here lead generation form would be herbal product brochure form. Only one form is attached on this particular page, so it has automatically captured. If you have multiple forms for multiple products, you can select the form from here. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to fill the form. So let's go to the form. This is the form Ayush Herbal Store. Here let us give the email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Shikha Arya, and let's give the mobile number over here, and let us click on next and let's submit it. Okay, thanks, you're all set. So the form has been filled. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now let us click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and the details which we have filled in the form. shikhaarya25@gmail.com, full name, and the phone number is captured over here. Even the data is captured in this array format also. Okay, now we are done with the step 1 and 2. First we have created the integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, and here at step 2 also we have captured the data from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. And now let's move to step 3. Send the brochure to lead on the WhatsApp via 360 dialog. For this we have to connect WhatsApp now. So here in the action application, we are going to select the application name as 360 dialog. Here in the action event, we have to select send template message. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. That is asking for the API key and domain name. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So first we have to go to a 360 dialog account. I'll just take you to my 360 dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts. And here we can find generate API key option. Click on this option, generate API key, and generate the API key. Copy that key, go to Pabbly Connect and paste the key over here. Now the domain name, enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. Example is also given. I'll just copy this and I will paste the domain over here. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In my case, I have received this particular domain name, so I am pasting it over here. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. Okay. Now one more important information. We have generated the API key. Once the API key is generated, the same key can be used for different connections. We don't have to generate the key again and again for different workflows. So in my case also, I have already generated the API key and I have already made a connection over here. by pasting the API key here and domain name. So I'm just choosing my existing connection and let's click on save. Okay, and now here we can see it is connected. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So let me tell you, template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. I'll take you to my 360 account once again, and here we can find the option manage templates. Let's click on this. Now here you can find many templates which I have created and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, just click on this plus sign, add template. From here you can create a new template. You can give the template name over here. You can select the category as per your requirement. Okay, there are so many categories available. Ticket update, alert update, transportation update. Here you can select the language. You can select the template type. And at last you can give the template, the text which you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then you have to click on preview and submit. And it will be sent to the it will be sent on to the Facebook, which is the parent company, and it will get approved. I'll just close this. Okay. And now here I'll be selecting the template which I have already created and got it approved. So I'll just select the template over here, that is send brochure final. I'll just open this. So this is the template send brochure underscore final. Here I have given some parameters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in curly braces. So you might be thinking why I have kept this in curly braces. These parameters are simply the body fields which are going to change. Here we want the name, hello, the name should reflect name of the customer. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here our organization name or store name is going to reflect. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our. Here again the store name is going to reflect. Here you can give the link of the brochure. Here for more details you can visit our website. Our website address can be mentioned over here. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards. And here in the 6th parameter we can again give the organization name or the store name. So in this way I have created a template. Let us select send brochure final template in Pabbly Connect. I'll just come here in template and let us find send brochure final. Now it has automatically captured the namespace and language code also. So I'm not going to change anything. Here we have to give the recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer. She will be the recipient, Shikha Arya. So we have to map this mobile number over there, this WhatsApp number. So let us map the WhatsApp number from Facebook lead ads, and this was the number. Here an instruction is also mentioned. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code. As we already have the country code in this particular number, we are not going to change anything. If you don't have the country code, please paste the country code in front of the number. Okay. Now body field 1. An example is also given Heather Ali. That is the name of a person. So in our template also, the first parameter requires the value of the name of a person. So I'll just map the name from Facebook lead ads, and the name was Shikha Arya. Body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in our body field 2, thank you for showing your interest in. Here also again we have to give the name of our store, that is Ayush Herbal Store. Okay, this was the name. Let us check it once again. Yes, Ayush Herbal Store. So let us give the name over here, that is Ayush Herbal Store. Now body field 3, example is given software. In our case we require, meanwhile you can check our brochure which we have attached with the message where you can find all the services which we offer in our store. Here we can give store or herbal store. Let us give it as herbal store. Okay. Now here body field 4, we have to give a link, that is HTTPS. Our URL is given. So let us check the template. Here we have to give the link. For that I have already pasted my brochure in my Google Drive. I have uploaded it over here. I'll just simply make a right click over here. I'll click on share option. Here we have got a link. I'll just copy this link go to my Pabbly Connect and here I am just going to paste that link. Okay. Now body field 5 example is given, that's a website, and here in our template also, here we have to give the website. So I'll just go to Facebook and from here I'll just copy this URL. I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'll just paste the URL over here. Okay. Now body field 6, again we have to give the store name. Here, thank you, regards, 6 parameter, the store name is going to reflect. I'm just copying this store name from here and I'll just paste it over here. Okay. So now we have given all the fields. Now let us click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the response is received. Now let us check whether a message has been sent on the WhatsApp number or not. Okay, I'll just go to WhatsApp and here we can see a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in Ayush Herbal Store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Okay, so I'll just show you the parameters which we have mapped. Shikha Arya was the first parameter. Here, the name is reflecting. Okay, the second parameter was Ayush Herbal Store. Here in template also, we have given the same. The third parameter will be the herbal store which we have given over here, a herbal store. Then we have given the link as fourth parameter. We have given the website address as fifth parameter. And the last parameter is this, regards Ayush Herbal Store. Okay. This is the fourth, fifth and sixth parameters. So in this way we can see that our message is perfectly sent correctly. The message is correct. Now let us click on this link and check what is sent. Okay. The page is getting open. Here we can find a PDF herbal products brochure. And yes, here we can see a herbal product brochure is sent on the WhatsApp number. Okay. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Let us save this workflow first. Okay. So the data has been saved. Now let us check this in the real time. I'll just scroll up. Okay. So now let's go to Facebook lead ads form once again and let us fill the form first. So here I'll just give the email address as Sanjay Sharma 25@gmail.com. Let us give the full name as Sanjay Sharma and let us give the mobile number over here. Okay, and now let's click on next. Here let's click on submit. Thanks, you're all set. Now let us check whether a message has been sent on the WhatsApp number or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp. Okay, so now here we can see a new message is displayed. Hello Sanjay Sharma, thank you for showing your interest in Ayush Herbal Store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. The link is given. Okay, the website address is given and all the details which we have given in the template, all of them are given over here correctly. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, so now in this way we have created a successful integration. Let us minimize all these windows and see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever our Facebook lead ad form is submitted on our Facebook page, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case you have some queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.